Welcome! In front of me I have Maimo watch DCAE, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. First thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. And after you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and after you see it, press the crown button again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, find the option called the system, and after you find it, tap on it. And here you should see the reset option at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it, and finally, if you want to reset your watch, tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. And once you see this message on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.